The 318mm rocket MGR-3 Alpha, called Little John, is a simple, reliable, lightweight, general support, surface-to-surface, solid propellant rocket system. Little John carries a 260-pound warhead, either conventional or nuclear. The warhead is mated to the rocket motor section, and the complete round receives detailed inspection and electrical checkout in the assembly area. To maintain an even propellant temperature, an insulating blanket is installed on the Little John as soon as it is removed from its shipping container. Fully assembled, the round is 14½ feet long and about a foot in diameter. With handling bars, its 780-pound weight can be moved manually into place on its aluminum alloy launcher. The entire unit can now be towed with full ground mobility and even manhandled for short distances, airlifted in parachute and air assault operations, or transported by helicopter to the prepared firing position. Emplacement here, preparatory to the firing sequence, takes about 10 minutes. The Little John launcher is stabilized by 2 jack assemblies and a rear support, providing a level base for firing. The insulating blanket is removed from the rocket just prior to firing. The launcher beam, which supports the rocket for firing, is elevated manually. Maximum elevation for the Little John is 978 mils. With traverse limits of 267 mils right or left of center, the weapon is aimed similarly to cannon artillery. Low-level surface winds, which will affect it during its acceleration phase, require measurement for speed and direction by the wind measuring set. These indications are transmitted in electrical signals to the fire control station, converted into miles per hour, and then mils for launcher deflection and elevation correction. About 12 to 15 minutes are required to emplace and fire the Little John. Accuracy is obtained through a spinning action applied to the rocket before firing by a spring-driven motor at the rear of the launcher. When the rocket reaches a rotational velocity of 3 revolutions per second, an igniter sets off the propellant. The range of Little John is 20,000 meters.